Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to earn $100 on Wish very easily. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how I make money online. So let's jump into it. First open the Wish app and then go to your settings. And in the settings menu, at the rewards and promotions option, you will see the earn $100 icon. And when you tap on it, it will show up this screen, and it will say that you can earn $100 a month by inviting friends to Wish. So you will receive $5 for every friend that accepts your request, and actually they will also receive $5. So I will put my link in the description so you can sign up to Wish and you will receive $5. And I will also receive that $5, and I will make another video after a few months to show you how many of you signed up to Wish using my link. Here you can read some more about their program. This is one important thing that you should know, that you can't earn more than $100 per month, because that's the maximum. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you would like to try Wish, sign up using my link in the description. See you in the next one.